Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 10 minutes.
America's leading innovation investor, Luke Lango's Investor Place Quick Picks.
Today, we're going to talk about a live TV streaming platform that was red hot, went ice cold, and which could now start a big rebound as it redefines the way you, me, and everyone else watches sports. The name? fuboTV, ticker FUBO. Now, fuboTV is like YouTube TV. It's a live TV streaming platform that's basically like cable but without the box. It's cable meets Netflix. The differentiator for fuboTV is that it's sports first, and long-term the company hopes to build the world's first fully integrated sports betting and streaming platform. Now, as many of you know, fuboTV has been one of the most polarizing stocks in the market over the past few months. On one side, you have the bulls, who believe fuboTV is building this next-gen interactive betting and streaming platform for live sports. On the other side, you have the short sellers and the bears, who believe that fuboTV is just another commoditized streaming platform that is burning money on acquiring content with no real competitive advantage. Both arguments have some merit, but over the past few weeks, the scales have tilted in favor of the bull thesis, as fuboTV has taken some major steps to execute strongly on turning into a differentiated streaming platform with a compelling value prop. I believe fuboTV will continue to execute strongly over the next few months. As the company does, the bear thesis will drown out, and the bull thesis will come to life. fuboTV's subscriber revenue and profit numbers will soar, so will Fubo stock. The investment implication? It's time to buy and hold Fubo stock for the long haul. Here's a deeper look. Now, the long-term bull thesis on fuboTV stock is pretty simple, and it boils down to this. fuboTV is in the first inning of building a next-generation streaming platform where sports fans can interactively bet on micro-events in sporting games on a real-time basis. So imagine this. Let's fast forward to 2025. You and your friend are sitting on your couch, watching the Golden State Warriors basketball game through fuboTV on your smart TV. Stephen Curry gets fouled and goes to the free throw line. You and your friend take out your phones and open up the fuboTV app. You each place a $5 bet on the app that Curry will make the free throw. He does. You both win $5, and you two both go back to watching the game until the next bettable moment, at which point you'll pull out the fuboTV app again and place another micro bet. That is the future. Now, it may not be fuboTV that builds that future, but someone will build that future. And the bull thesis on Fubo stock is that fuboTV will be the company that does build that future because they are the first mover in the space. But a first mover advantage is only good if the company executes on the opportunity, and that's exactly what fuboTV management is starting to do. Execute on this huge opportunity of building the world's first interactive sports betting and streaming platform. The first step in building an all-in-one interactive sports betting and streaming platform is acquiring the rights to all sorts of sports content, preferably exclusive rights to develop a content moat. The second step is creating a digital sportsbook that integrates with that sports content. fuboTV is presently doing both. Over the past 2 weeks, fuboTV has signed a deal with Marquee Sports Network to bring non-national Chicago Cubs baseball games to its streaming platform. And fuboTV also acquired the exclusive streaming rights to the Qatar World Cup 2022 qualifying matches. These two deals represent a strong continuation of fuboTV's ability to build out an exclusive content moat with unique sporting events, specifically local sports and hard-to-watch international sports. Long-term, we suspect that fuboTV will be able to leverage its sports-first focus and scale to be able to win content partnerships with most local sports networks, as well as most international sports organizations. Some, if not all, of these content partnerships will be exclusive, meaning that at scale, fuboTV will be an exclusive streaming home for everything you can watch sports. This will, of course, make fuboTV a compelling streaming platform option for sports fans. At the same time, fuboTV is aggressively acquiring the assets and rights necessary to launch a full-fledged digital sportsbook in 2021. The company recently acquired sports betting and interactive gaming platform Victory. fuboTV expects to leverage the underlying betting technology created at Victory to create a seamless betting experience for the FUBO sportsbook. The company has also secured market access agreements for the FUBO sportsbook in Iowa, Indiana, and New Jersey. And both the NBA and MLB have made fuboTV an authorized gaming operator of their leagues. In other words, fuboTV is doing everything it needs to be doing today to successfully launch an integrated digital sportsbook in 2021 and subsequently scale that sportsbook in 2022, 2023, and beyond. If fuboTV successfully executes on its vision, the potential upside in Fubo stock is absolutely enormous. Here are the numbers. There are tens of millions of diehard sports fans in America. Against that backdrop, if fuboTV does become an integrated sports betting and streaming platform with exclusive content rights, it will easily attract at least 10 million paid subscribers by 2030. Average revenue per subscriber per month should exceed $70, driven by a mix of subscription fees, ad revenues, and betting commissions. So that implies north of $8.4 billion in 2030 revenues for fuboTV. I see EBITDA margins running towards 20% at scale as ad revenues and sports betting revenue add higher margin revenue firepower into the business model and boost margins. Assuming so, my modeling suggests fuboTV is on track to do $10 in earnings per share by 2030. Put a simple 20x multiple on that, and you're talking a long-term price target here of 200. We sit around 20 today, so we are truly talking about a potential 10x winner in the making. fuboTV has an uphill battle ahead of it. Building a dominant sports betting and streaming platform, the world's first of its kind, it's going to be hard to do. But if the company pulls it off, and I suspect they can given recent developments, the potential upside in Fubo stock is enormous. And that's why this is a good name to own as a speculative long-term investment. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Place Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash the like button, or give me a follow on Twitter where I can respond to, talk to, anything you want to talk about stocks, I'm there to chat. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.